Welcome to the world of futuristic travel, the 2026 Bugatti Motorhome, a masterpiece of engineering and luxury design. As the camera slowly glides toward the front, we begin our journey with the heart of this magnificent machine, the driver's cockpit. The dashboard of the 2026 Bugatti Motorhome is nothing short of a technological marvel. A seamless glass OLED panel stretches across the console, merging speed, navigation, and entertainment into one continuous screen. The digital instrument cluster behind the steering wheel glows with Bugatti's signature blue and gold hues. Every control is touch-sensitive, designed with precision and wrapped in carbon fiber and brushed aluminum. The steering wheel itself carries the DNA of Bugatti flat-bottomed, soft-grip leather, and accented with glowing blue veins of light that pulse as the vehicle starts. Moving to the right side, we focus on the gear and side console area. Here lies the command center for the entire motorhome. The transmission lever is crystal-topped with a Bugatti emblem inside, illuminated softly from beneath. Around it, touch controls allow the driver to switch between driving, autopilot, and parking modes. The central console also includes ambient mood lighting, cup coolers, and a retractable tablet that displays route details, weather forecasts, and AI-assisted voice commands. Everything feels futuristic yet effortless, like controlling a spacecraft designed for ultimate comfort. Now, as the camera pans toward the background, you witness the elegant flow of design that connects the driver's area to the living space. Smooth curves, golden lighting strips, and panoramic side windows make the interior feel infinite. The walls are lined with fine Italian leather and silk panels, while the floor features marble-inspired textures with a self-cleaning surface. Next, the view transitions into the sleeping area. This is not just a bed, it's a sanctuary. A king-sized memory foam bed sits beneath a panoramic skylight that adjusts transparency automatically based on sunlight. The ambient light fades from warm gold to deep blue as night falls. Hidden inside the wall are small control panels that manage temperature, music, and window shades. Every detail, from the soft cushions to the perfume diffuser, has been crafted to make long journeys feel like resting in a five-star suite. Just beside the sleeping zone, the cooking area comes alive. The Bugatti kitchen features a compact yet advanced setup, induction stove, AI temperature control oven, automatic coffee maker, and a holographic food assistant that suggests recipes based on available ingredients. The surfaces are stainless steel with reflective chrome trims, and the drawers open with a light touch. As someone prepares breakfast, the scent of freshly brewed coffee fills the air, blending with the soft hum of the engine and the faint melody playing from hidden surround speakers. Now, we step toward the washroom area. The door slides open silently to reveal a stunningly designed marble-themed bathroom. The shower cabin is made of glass infused with anti-fog technology. LED strips illuminate the mirrors, and the vanity counter includes both traditional and digital faucets that adjust water temperature automatically. The scent of fresh mist and eucalyptus fills the space. Everything here feels private, clean, and futuristic, a spa-like experience while traveling on the open road. Finally, as the camera pulls back, the full interior of the 2026 Bugatti Motorhome is revealed in one magnificent view. The harmony between technology and comfort is breathtaking. The engine hums quietly beneath, the ambient lighting dances across the floor, and the panoramic windows reveal the sunset reflecting over the golden body of the moving vehicle. This is not just a motorhome, it's a vision of tomorrow's travel. The 2026 Bugatti Motorhome combines performance, innovation, and luxury in a way that transforms every mile into an unforgettable experience. Whether you're driving across the desert, sleeping under the stars, or brewing coffee in motion, this is freedom redefined, the art of movement crafted for those who dream beyond limits.